Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure you can repair safely. Sign in as an administrator and back up important files. Once done, verify your Windows build and edition so you choose the right media, and create or mount a Windows installation USB or ISO for recovery tools. Next, boot into the recovery environment using that media or settings recovery. Make sure you pick Repair Your Computer, not Install. This gets you to the tools you need to fix the Re-image was not found error. You'll now repair corrupted system components. First, open an elevated command prompt from Recovery Tools or an admin session. Run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Dism fixes the underlying image issues that trigger the error. Once dism completes, run sfc/scano to restore protected files from the repaired image. If dism can't find a source, explicitly point it to your install. Wim or install. ESD on the USB using the /source switch, then repeat sfc. Finish by repairing the boot configuration and fallback options. If the image error persists, boot to recovery and use bootrec/fixmber, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild. Check bcdedit for incorrect device paths. If system files remain problematic, perform an in-place upgrade or repair install from the matching ISO to replace Windows files while keeping apps and settings. If that still fails, restore your backup or perform a clean install from verified media. Key tip: keep your install media matched to your exact build to avoid image not found errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.